as long as you're... Oh, look at that. You, good Lord. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Looks good, power's good. Pressures, temps are good. Airspeed's live. Density altitude is still very, very high.
Yeah.
To what we're used to. You just leave the prop RPM up a little bit. That's where you don't necessarily want to just crank it back right away. But we'll just kind of roll it back now. Offset a little bit. Okay, got a good right there. Let's get the flaps coming up. So pretty like shallow.
Yeah.
Ascent.
Really shallow.
Because you don't need to go much more. Now, if there was like, you know, whatever. I mean, like there's all kinds of things that you just probably wouldn't want to depart. But you know, if we were trying to go up and out, you don't have much performance potentially. Look at that cute little town. You don't have much performance, so you know you like have to kind of box climb maybe in order to get enough altitude to go over. But the direction that we're going, we're not going to go over. We're basically going to go through the mountains. But there's a beautiful little valley here, and we've got 7,000 feet to descend before we're getting to John Wayne. God, that's cool. Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, 2 mile upwind departing to the west. Big Bear. Look at that. How great, how pretty is that?
Big Bear traffic, Skyline entering 44 Echoes, taxiing from the parking area to runway 26, Big Bear.
That is so cool.
Big Bear traffic, November 2550 Romeo, we're over the dam, westbound, down the hill, Big Bear.
He's doing the same thing, so down the hill, so he's doing the exact same thing we are, which is really cool. And probably going back to John Wayne. Look at this.
I know, that's really pretty. Crazy how much more snow there is right here than where we were.
Maybe because it's shadowed more?
I don't know.
But also, I mean, like the airport plows and stuff. But you're right. You're all
like
like off of the out of the airport. You're right. Yeah.
There's way more on the ground.
Yeah.
And then that side's like nothing.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's just that's shadowed.
Yeah.
Just doesn't get as much direct sunlight. Freaking cool, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty. Look at that little inlet.
Yeah, it's freaking ice. That's wild.
Houses.
Yeah, those are some big ass houses. Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835 over the dam, departing to the west, down the valley. Big Bear traffic. And then it just opens up into this. Like seriously. I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like, just absolutely astoundingly pretty.
I think this is the same.
Skyway 944 Echoes Department runway 26.
No, we did.
Straight out and then to the west.
You think we did do this?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
If it looks similar.
Yeah. Definitely one of those things that you want to do with someone that's done it before you do it.
Yeah, 100%.
Because it doesn't look like this is the way to do it, but it's such a pretty way to depart here. And you know, it's like you don't have to climb as much. I mean, we're below the peaks. Yeah, why don't you use mine?
Well, I just want to.
Give those a shot. Oh, that's a great shot right there.
Oceanside traffic, 242, turning base, runway 25, center pickup rapid.
Wow, that is so freaking cool. I really hope this footage comes out.
Yeah, the lighting too on the mountains right now is amazing.
That is freaking rad. There's San Bernardino right there.
Oceanside traffic, 242, flying on runway 25.
Wow.
Oceanside.
Oh, that's so pretty. This whole scene, look at how pretty this entire scene is.
Yeah. I know, and then it's like, no snow.
Yeah, and now we're in the Los Angeles Basin. Wow.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you guys need to listen to make sure someone's not already talking. 87 Echo, did you copy?
87 Echo, affirmative, out for 8.5.
Thank you. 0 Tango Mike, should be no factor for you now. You can resume on navigation.
Okay, we'll resume on navigation. We're basically just following the GPS approach in.
0 Tango Mike, roger. Contact tower 118.2. Have a good day.
SoCal 882 Delta Sierra 3000, climbing 4500.
All right, 0 Tango Mike, contact tower.
For 0 Tango Mike, I guess.
0 Tango Mike again, contact tower, please.
Going to tower, 0 Tango Mike.
Yikes.
15 Whiskey, SoCal.
15 Whiskey, would like to cancel VFR flight following up Big Bear in sight.
15 Whiskey, radar services terminated. Squawk maintain VFR, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, good day.
All right, who haven't I got a chance to talk to yet?
Link 970 Charlie Foxtrot, still restricted and 090 heading.
Charlie Foxtrot, you going to resume on navigation?
Resume navigation, 970 Charlie Foxtrot.